Right, today we're dealing with a very common problem, and that is when somebody is ill in the car and the car is unable to stop to let the passenger out, and unfortunately the passenger was ill in the back of the vehicle. Now what I've done is I've removed the rear seat. Customer has pointed out that it was on the seat and all the visible areas, but it absolutely hums inside the car. This has been removed, and it's a good job it has been removed, because, and please switch off or look away if you're squeamish, the vomit has actually ended up right there in that area there. Now if that seat had never been removed, you would never know that that was there, and the car would continue to smell really, really bad, and it would just get worse and worse and worse. We've managed to dodge the rain. The job took an hour, just over an hour and a half to do, and everything now has got to dry out before it can be refitted, so the customer's going to have to just refit that rear seat, but it's free of odour, doesn't smell at all, or vomit at all. And it's once it's dried out, be ready to use and be safe to use once again.